fight your cough with this natural garlic and onion drink. Coughing is an uncomfortable symptom that happens when the immune system detects viruses and bacteria in the respiratory tracts. It is a defense mechanism, whereby an explosive expulsion of air from the lungs enables us to get rid of germs and foreign bodies that damage our health. In general, it comes with excessive phlegm production, congestion and throat inflammation. Also, given that it is common during flu and colds, coughing often comes with eye irritation, headaches and general malaise. The good news is that there are 100 natural remedies that, thanks to their ingredients, strengthen the immune system and accelerate recovery. In this article, we want to share a treatment that harnesses the healing power of onions and garlic. Natural onion and garlic drink to fight coughing. This natural onion and garlic drink is an ancient remedy with antibiotic properties. When ingested, it contributes to reducing the severity of coughs. Its high concentration of anti-inflammatory, expectorant and antiviral agents makes it effective for clearing the respiratory tracts during colds and flu. Both onion and garlic are rich in a substance known as allicin. In addition to having a particular taste, allicin gives them very powerful medicinal effects. The benefits of onions for fighting coughs. Onions are one of the most frequently used vegetables in gastronomy. This is not only because of the flavor they give dishes, but also because of their high nutritional value that benefits health. They have stood out for years as a significant source of vitamins, minerals and antioxidants. Once absorbed by the body, these components strengthen the immune system and the process is responsible for removing toxins from the body. In addition, their sulfur compounds are powerful antibiotics and anti-inflammatories. This makes them ideal for treating ailments caused by viruses and bacteria. They also have mucolytic and expectorant effects, which are effective in treating coughs and expelling phlegm. If this weren't enough, they're a natural tonic for the respiratory tracts and promote reduced inflammation and cleansing. The benefits of garlic for fighting coughs. Garlic formed part of hundreds of cultures around the world for centuries. Its spicy flavor and nutritional properties have made it an unmissable ingredient in the diet of millions of people. In this particular case, it stands out for its antibiotic and expectorant effects. These contribute to eliminating the germs that cause coughs. These qualities, added to its anti-inflammatory action, promote the cleansing of the respiratory tracts and reduce inflammation. In addition, it also helps to strengthen the immune system by increasing the production of the antibodies that destroy viruses and bacteria. How to prepare this natural onion and garlic remedy. This warm onion and a garlic drink is a very easy recipe to make. Unlike other commercial products for coughs, it doesn't cause unwanted side effects. While it may not be a miracle treatment to cure this condition, drinking it makes an excellent complement to reduce the symptoms. Ingredients: 2 cups of water, 500 milliliters 1/2 medium onion 2 raw heads of garlic. Preparation. First, put the 2 cups of water in a pan and boil it over a medium heat. Then, chop the onions and slice the garlic. When the water boils, add the chopped onions and sliced raw garlic. Turn down the heat and leave it to cook for 2 or 3 minutes. After this time, let it sit at room temperature until it is ready to drink. Then, strain it and drink. How to consume it. Serve half a cup and drink it in sips, as hot as you can bear. Drink it at the first sign of a cough or congestion. Repeat 3 or 4 times a day, depending on the severity of your symptoms. Use this as part of your treatment until you experience relief. Ready to try this powerful natural remedy? If you haven't tried it yet and this problem is bothering you, follow the instructions and find out for yourself how useful it is for controlling coughs.